Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. Today, we're diving deep into the world of detoxification and exploring 15 superfoods that can naturally cleanse and revitalize your body. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider or a qualified professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Detoxification is the body's natural process of eliminating toxins and waste, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. By incorporating detoxifying foods into your diet, you can support your body's innate ability to cleanse and rejuvenate. Now, let's unveil the 15 superfoods that can work wonders for your detox journey. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are known for their cleansing properties and can help you feel more energized and revitalized. Number 1. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are not only irresistibly delicious but also nutritional powerhouses. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C, these tiny fruits combat oxidative stress and protect the body from harmful free radicals. Additionally, their high fiber content supports healthy digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness, making them a great addition to any weight management plan. Berries are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, promoting overall well-being. Whether enjoyed on their own, blended into smoothies, or sprinkled on top of yogurt, incorporating berries into your diet is a delightful way to boost your health and immunity. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that offer an array of health benefits. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these greens support various bodily functions, including heart health, bone strength, and immune function. Rich in chlorophyll, leafy greens aid in detoxification by assisting the liver in removing toxins from the body. Their high fiber content also promotes healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating leafy greens into salads, smoothies, or sautés can elevate your nutrient intake and contribute to a vibrant and balanced diet for optimal well-being. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as lemons, oranges, and grapefruits, are a zesty addition to any diet, bringing a burst of flavor and a wealth of health benefits. Loaded with vitamin C, these fruits strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against infections and supporting the body's detoxification processes. Vitamin C also aids in collagen production, promoting healthy skin and tissue repair. Additionally, citrus fruits contain bioactive compounds like flavonoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Squeezing fresh citrus juice over salads, drinking homemade lemonade, or simply enjoying the segments as a refreshing snack can help you reap the numerous benefits these fruits offer. Number 4. Avocado. Avocado, often referred to as nature's butter, is a creamy and nutrient-rich fruit with an array of health benefits. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados promote good cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular health. They are also a great source of fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate, avocados contribute to overall well-being and support various bodily functions. Whether mashed into guacamole, sliced onto toast, or blended into smoothies, avocados offer a versatile and delicious way to enhance your diet with a dose of wholesome nutrients. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic, known for both its culinary and medicinal uses, is a powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in compounds like allicin, garlic has potent antimicrobial and antiviral properties that can help boost the immune system and protect against infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also aid in reducing inflammation in the body. Additionally, garlic supports cardiovascular health by promoting healthy blood circulation and lowering blood pressure levels. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger is a versatile and aromatic root with a long history of medicinal use. Packed with bioactive compounds like gingerol, it boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help alleviate various ailments. Known for its digestive benefits, ginger aids in reducing nausea, bloating, and indigestion. It is also recognized for its immune-boosting properties, supporting the body's defense against infections. Ginger tea, a popular remedy, offers a soothing and comforting beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. Adding fresh ginger to stir-fries, smoothies, and soups can infuse dishes with a unique flavor while providing a natural boost to your well-being. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant golden spice, is renowned for its exceptional health-promoting properties. Curcumin, its active compound, serves as a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, aiding in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support joint health, ease digestive discomfort, and promote overall well-being. Studies also suggest that curcumin may have neuroprotective effects, benefiting cognitive function. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is easy. Sprinkle it over roasted vegetables, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it in a warming cup of turmeric latte. Harness the power of this ancient spice to support your health naturally. Number 8. Beets. Beets, with their striking red hue, are a treasure trove of health benefits. Rich in betalains, a unique class of antioxidants, beets support liver function and aid in detoxification, helping to eliminate harmful substances from the body. They are also a good source of dietary nitrates, which can improve blood flow and enhance athletic performance. The fiber content in beets promotes digestive health and helps regulate bowel movements. Additionally, beets are low in calories and packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Whether roasted, juiced, or grated raw in salads, beets offer a sweet and earthy flavor with a myriad of health advantages. Number 9. Artichokes. Artichokes, often considered a culinary delicacy, are more than just a gourmet treat. They are packed with health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, particularly cysteine, artichokes support liver function and aid in breaking down fats, contributing to detoxification. Their high fiber content helps promote digestive health and can assist in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Artichokes are also a good source of essential nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. Steamed, grilled, or incorporated into delicious dips, artichokes offer a unique and flavorful addition to your diet, promoting both taste and wellness in one delicious package. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea, a beloved beverage with a rich history, is cherished for its remarkable health benefits. Bursting with powerful antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps combat oxidative stress, supporting overall cellular health. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a potent catechin in green tea, may aid in weight management by increasing metabolism and fat oxidation. The L-theanine content in green tea promotes relaxation and a sense of calmness, making it an ideal beverage for mindfulness. The modest amount of caffeine in green tea can provide a gentle energy boost without the jittery side effects. Sipping on a warm cup of green tea is a delightful way to nourish your body and mind. Number 11. Chia seeds. Chia seeds, tiny yet mighty, are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential nutrients. Rich in fiber, they promote healthy digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. These seeds are also an excellent source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that combat free radicals, contributing to overall well-being. Additionally, they provide a boost of energy and endurance, making them a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Soaked chia seeds form a gel-like consistency, making them a great addition to puddings, smoothies, and oatmeal. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can enjoy a range of health benefits in a convenient and delicious way. Number 12. Almonds. Almonds, the delightful tree nuts, are not only delicious but also brimming with health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats, almonds promote heart health and can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. These nuts are an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that supports skin health and protects cells from damage. Almonds also provide essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, which aid in nerve function and muscle health. Their satiating effect makes them a great snack option for weight management. Whether eaten as a wholesome snack, sprinkled over salads, or blended into almond butter, incorporating almonds into your diet is a smart choice for overall well-being. Number 13. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, a creamy and indulgent dairy product, offers an array of health benefits that set it apart from regular yogurt. With a thicker consistency and lower lactose content, it is easier on digestion, making it suitable for those with lactose intolerance. High in protein, Greek yogurt helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it a great option for weight management. It is also packed with probiotics, promoting gut health and supporting the immune system. Greek yogurt is a versatile ingredient, perfect for smoothies, parfaits, and savory dishes. Including this nutritious delight in your diet can enhance your overall health and well-being. Number 14. Quinoa. Quinoa, often referred to as a superfood, is a nutritious grain that offers a wealth of health benefits. Packed with protein, quinoa is a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs. It is also rich in fiber, supporting digestive health and promoting a feeling of fullness. Quinoa is a good source of essential minerals such as magnesium, iron, and zinc, contributing to overall well-being. This versatile grain can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and bowls to soups and pilafs. Including quinoa in your diet can add a nutritional boost and introduce a delightful nutty flavor to your meals. Number 15. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant orange flesh, are not only delicious but also highly nutritious. Packed with vitamins and minerals, sweet potatoes provide a rich source of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that converts into vitamin A in the body, supporting healthy vision and immune function. They are also a good source of fiber, promoting digestive health and helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes contain antioxidants like anthocyanins and quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These versatile tubers can be roasted, mashed, or used in sweet and savory dishes, making them a delightful addition to any diet for improved health and well-being. Thank you for joining us in this insightful journey into the world of natural detoxification. We hope that you've discovered the power of incorporating these 15 superfoods into your diet to cleanse your body naturally. Embracing a healthy lifestyle and nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods can lead to improved well-being and vitality. Remember, detoxification is not about extreme diets or deprivation, it's about making mindful choices and fueling your body with the goodness it deserves. So, go ahead and savor the benefits of these superfoods, and let nature work its magic in helping you achieve a balanced and rejuvenated self. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for our next exciting adventure on the path to wellness. Until then, take care and be well.